Welcome back to our ICT class. Hope you all are fine. So students, let's start our class. As you all know, we were doing chapter number 4, that is keyboard special keys. I hope you all are practicing also about the typing on keyboard, that how to type on keyboard. I had teach you how to type alphabets and by giving the space, right? And I hope you all are doing the practice of those some write some names or some sentences, so it will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so students, today we will continue that chapter. As you all know, in the previous session I told you about the alphabet keys, right? I told you about the alphabet keys, that what are alphabet keys. Alphabet keys कितनी होती है? There are total 26 keys. What are keys here? The many buttons on the keyboard, and those buttons are known as keys. So there are total 26 alphabet keys, right? So we use alphabet keys for type letters, words and sentences, right? So alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z. Total A to Z सारे alphabets होते हैं, and all the alphabets are not in the proper order. Proper order में नहीं होते हैं, they are just shuffle. और आपको मैंने रोज भी बताई थी कि किस तरह से कौन सी रो में 3 रोज होती हैं टोटल, कौन सी रो में कौन से वर्ड्स हैं. सो आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट दैट. So in this session I will be telling you about the numeric keys. So after the alphabet keys we will be learning about the numeric keys. So as you can understand with the name, that numeric means numbers. Numeric means numbers keys. The numeric keys means numbers. So there are total 10 numbers are given, which are just given above the alphabet keys. जो alphabet keys की 3 rows हैं, alphabet keys की 3 rows हैं, जो बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर वाली रो में there are given total 10 numbers are given to us from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these total 10 numbers. Okay, started from 0 and end at 9. So here are total 0 to 9 means 10 numbers are given, which are just above the alphabet keys. Which are just above the alphabet keys and are placed in order. और इसी order में दिए हुए हैं. Alphabet keys order में नहीं थी, but numeric keys are given in the order. So we can type our age, like what is your age? It can be a 12, it can be 10, it can be 9. So we can type it by pressing the button. If we want to type 12, what we will do? We will press 1 and then we will press 2. If we want to type 10, we will press 1 and then we will press 0. Like this. Total how we can write any number here with the help of these 10 keys. Okay, we can type any age, roll number if you want to write, house number if you want to write, anything we can write in the which we want to write in the numbers. Okay, so by using these keys we can write it anywhere. Okay, so now I will be showing you the keyboard. Okay students, as you all can see this keyboard, there are these 3 alphabet rows are given, alphabet keys rows, and just above this you can see these numbers. Sorry, I have written wrong. This is from 1 to 0. Okay, this is from 1 to 0. 0 is at the last. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 and 0. So these are the number keys. These are the numeric keys. Understand? These were the alphabet keys, and just above these are given numeric keys from number 1 to 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These are the 10 numbers given. 10 numeric keys are given. Then on the other side, here you can see this tab. This is the right side. Here you can see this tab. Now I will be telling you about this tab. See, just at the right side of the keyboard, I have shown you keyboard, and there you had seen like different just portion is given, that is also number keys. So I will be telling you about that. First number keys are given on this, and all the number keys given, it is on the right side of the keyboard. So number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called the numeric keypad. ये क्या बना हुआ है? एक numeric keypad बना हुआ है. Here I will be making this numeric keypad. Okay. So firstly, here it is given the first key, that is number lock. नम लॉक अगर ये ऑन होगा, येलो लाइट ब्लिंक होगी आपके कीबोर्ड पे. इफ इट इज ऑन, only then you can use this keypad, right hand side keypad. Okay, then this is the symbols. These are the symbols. Okay, these are the symbols. Again, this is also a symbol. Then here it is written 7, and it is written 8, 9. It is, I'm making here, just see it carefully, 4, 5, 6 and it is 1, 2 and 3. And here a button is given of and symbol, and here again a, just a moment, and here it is given like this, enter, and here one key is given of number 0, and here it is a delete. So this is the numeric keypad. This is a numeric keypad. So the number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. Okay, so here number lock means if the light is blinking on your keyboard, it means we can use this keypad. If the numeric lock is locked, means light is not blinking on your keyboard, it means you cannot use this keypad. You have to press it, then it will on. You will have to press it again to lock it. So this is about the number lock. Then there are from 0 to 9 numbers are given, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, from below to above. Okay, and then here is a button of delete. We can type, if we type something wrong, we can delete it from here. And here is the enter button to come on the next line. Next line पे आने के लिए we press enter. And this is the symbol of divide. Divide, multiply, minus and plus, means divide, multiply, subtract and addition. These are the symbols of that. We can do any calculation also, as I told you in the previous chapters, that we can do calculations as well on our computer. So we can use this keypad for doing some calculations. Okay, so these are the symbols given of divide, multiply, subtract and addition. Understand? So this was about the numeric keys. Now what you can do, what you have to do, you have to type your roll number. You have to type your roll number. Okay, you have to practice it. Then press the enter key. Then you will press enter key. This key you will press. Okay, enter key press, and then you will move to the next line. Okay, you will move to the next line and then you will type your age. Here you will type your age. So this you can do on notepad. Practice it and try to use this numeric keypad. Okay, and also you can start a calculator also, as I already told you about the steps of calculator, how we can open the calculator. That was our very first practical. I told you about that. Okay, again I am reminding you. Firstly, you will go to the start button, and then there you will go to the all programs and then accessories, and there you can find calculator, and you can just do the calculations, yeah, by on the computer. Okay, so this was about the numeric keypad and numeric keys and number keys. Okay, these are the number keys or numeric keys. Then I am talking here about special keys. See, some special keys are given on the computer. These keys have different symbols on them. Different symbols जो भी keys पे होंगे वो होंगे special keys. It can be like plus, minus, this, जो भी 4 हमने किए वो भी क्या थी, special keys थी. And this, any type of symbol it is given, that is any special symbol, any different symbol you have shown, that is the special key. That is a special key. And there are some more special keys on a keyboard. Like first is I'm talking here about the space bar. Space bar is the very longest key. Very longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the words or between the text. जो भी हम type कर रहे हैं उसके बीच में अगर हमें space चाहिए, we will use this space bar. Okay, we will use space bar. Then there is caps lock key. So caps lock key. So what is the means? Just a moment. What is the work of caps lock key? Caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. अगर आपको cap means capital. Okay, अगर आपको capital में कोई word लिखना है, like I want to write Jia. So Jia's first letter, that J should be capital, right? So firstly I will press कैप्स लॉक. अगर आपके कीबोर्ड पे लाइट ऑन हो जाती है येलो, इट मीन्स आपका कैप्स लॉक ऑन हो गया है. अब आप जो भी अल्फाबेट लिखेंगे वो कैपिटल में आएंगे. अब मुझे कैपिटल में मैंने जे लिख लिया. आफ्टर दैट आई वांट टू राइट ऑल द वर्ड्स इन स्मॉल लेटर्स. देन आई विल जस्ट अगेन क्लिक ऑन द कैप्स लॉक की एंड मेरा जो कैप्स लॉक है वो बंद हो जाएगा. लाइट वहां से बंद हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स कैप्स लॉक बंद हो गया है. दिस प्रोसेस वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. वहाँ पर मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल करके बताऊंगी कि कैप्स लॉक को ऑन कैसे करना है, स्पेस बार को यूज कैसे करना है. दैट एवरीथिंग आई विल बी टेलिंग यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. So today we learn about, and there are some more special keys also that I will be telling you later. That is all for today. Firstly, practice this, and by practice this you will see, you will like just आपको खुद से कुछ चीजें पता चलेंगी. that what is the use of enter key, what is the use of caps lock key, what is the use of space bar key, what is the use of delete button also and backspace button also. So you will find it by yourself firstly, then I will be telling you that how to do on computer. Firstly, just practice writing the numbers and do the calculations on the calculator. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care all.